Residents in St. James and surrounding parishes were left furious today as they were unable to do transactions at the Montego Bay Inland Revenue Centre. The office was closed to business as, despite moving to a new location about a year ago, the workers are still struggling with major issues at the location. Details in this report. In July last year, the operations of the Montego Bay Revenue Service Centre were relocated to Montego Bay Freeport because of mold and several other issues with the downtown Montego Bay location. However, it's understood that issues with the new location have been plaguing the staff, forcing the location to close its doors to the public. The centre, which serves residents of several western parishes, was closed on Friday, leaving scores of persons wanting to carry out transactions with the government fuming.
Four times come here already, and to the second and then that gate. I had to know where I come from.
We were unable to get an official response from the office. However, we understand that for weeks, the Freeport office has been struggling with sewer issues that render the restrooms unusable, a malfunctioning air conditioning system that leaves staff and customers uncomfortable, among several other problems. In addition to the inconvenience of not being able to conduct their business, the customers are furious that they were not made aware that the office would be closed and that they have been given the runaround.
We not hear anything, so we don't know exactly what is going on. We have no idea.
I never get no information to them all that. So I go to now. And so I started today. I understand all go up your ticket and all that.
Well, we can't really think more on me, so they should try some way to notify people, because they know say people have their urgent business and you have to go 2 years of doing up things.
When our news team asked to speak with a manager, we were told all managers were locked in a meeting. The Freeport office is supposed to be a temporary location for the tax office to facilitate 3 years of renovation work at the previous downtown Montego Bay location. It's still unclear if the Freeport office will be reopened for business on Monday.